What's up YouTube? This is Loan for Cards. We're doing another CSGO skin upgrade at csgogem. We got a Glock 18 Reactor factory new, $3.98. Our goal today is to upgrade this Glock to another Glock. Doesn't really care what kind of Glock I want to upgrade to, I just want to get a better Glock. So what we're going to do is we're going to grind it out and get the best Glock we can possibly get in this csgogem website. Nothing crazy. We're not gonna go for no fades or anything like that. We're just gonna go for maybe a water elemental, maybe, and go from there. You know, get a Twilight Galaxy or water elemental. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna check here real quick and see what we can possibly get on a Glock. I wish they can do a search here, a little bit better on like the weapons. If there is, maybe let me know, because I can't seem to find if it can do a search. So we're looking for any Glock upgrades that we can do possibly, and only Glocks. So this is a challenge. There's a water elemental field tested stat track 1345. So that's something that we might be going for. See if there's something a little bit less. Wasteland Rebel, well worn, for $10. I think that's it. I don't see anything else. Glock Knight factory new, so we can actually upgrade to this possibly. Alright, so either we can make this Wasteland Rebel 775, but that one is, I read the battle scar. I already see the whole thing. I already get a factory new version of that, so you can see the whole thing here. Alright, so we can actually go do a coin flip, which is a 44% chance, and go for this, or we can try to grind it to get to that. So we're gonna make sure we do it right, because we don't want to overshoot and miss out on this, because $8.09, so we sort of don't want to overshoot that. Alright, so let's just play safe. And wow, look at this grinder. It's already showing us the grinder already here at 1.5 to 60%. Factory new, we can actually do that, but I don't want to blow my load in one shot and lose, so let's just sort of take the 71% chance and upgrade, and maybe get a better chance at that gun, and we should be able to get it right here. Oh, 5.7 actually. What was it? It was $8, right? $55%. Okay, so we can do one more upgrade down here to 71%, and we have a better chance at that. Alright, so we're there. 629. Should be $1 more. So it should be like right here. 69.98. That's like perfect. That's 70% that we want to get the upgrade to the Glock Knight. Perfect. Look at that. So we upgraded to the Glock Knight factory new. Now what we can do is we can actually push it to go for the water elementals if you want. There's a 5.7 stat. And now we can go for the water elemental, which is going to be a 68% chance. So this is the time to do it if we wanted to do right now, or we can just hold on to this Glock Rebel right now. I'm gonna stop right here. I don't wanna go broke on this YouTube thing. You can leave a comment saying, "Alone, you got no balls. You should went for the water elemental and go for it. It wasn't too bad of a choice, but hey, we need to win sometimes. Sometimes we go all in and go broke. Sometimes we just sit back and just upgrade our thing." Follow me on twitch.tv/known for cars. I do stream CSGO and other games too, but I do, when I stream CSGO mostly, I do give away free skins, CSGO skins on every comp win. Also get a chance to win a butterfly Shadow Daggers Urban Mask skin. If you're a subscriber, make sure you follow me. Check out my stream. Check out the YouTube. Send a like. Give me some comments, good or bad. I'll welcome it, and then we're gonna talk about it. Appreciate it, guys. Thanks for watching.